Hi guys. I already dished out this food. This is happy Sunday. These are the remaining things for us to put. And this one how much? 500. You guys, I just go back. You had a shaku. I had a makeup because I want to create content. Oh, the sun is crazy. Oh shit, the sun is just spoiling everything. You know, feel like sha. The girl fine, yeah. I find the past, yeah. Hi guys, you had a shaku. I've been doing some transitioning video on what now, on TikTok here.
Ashley, look at me.
I don't know why this one is so big like this and so free. Jesus. But I think this hair is really cute. What do you guys think? I think it fits me. Oh, let me stand. What do you guys think? I think it fits me. Oh, so you can pack these different styles depending on how you want it. You know, basically curls. Guys, I'm just waking up from an intense sleep. The sleep enter. I'm not going to lie. And I'm not already ready to go to the gym, but let me show you guys the things that I'm going to carry to the gym for my gym instructor, which happens to also be my friend, and for my friend Lydia. So I've already dished out this food. This is for my gym instructor, and we have like 2 giant meats here. Then this is for Lydia because obviously she's dieting. I made her on small size, and I made my gym instructors on bigger size. So I'm going to buy him molds, but I'll buy her water to use and eat this thing because obviously we are dieting, so I don't want to tempt her, you know. And yeah, so that's it. I'm about to wrap it now so I can pack it and start going. Okay, happy Sunday. I'm going to church. You guys, I'm trying to edit some vlogs and this sir came to disturb me. He just had his bath. No, this is the second time he's having his bath. We went to church, so I wanted his dad to cut his hair first before I give him another bath. So they just cut his hair now. Come and show them your hair now. Show them your hair. Come, your hair. Come, baby. His shakara is on 100. I'm having headache. Oh my god. You guys are traveling in 2 days time. And I've been trying to use my eyes to put things. Yumi, please let me talk. I'm having headache, please. It's time for you to sleep. I'm using my eyes to do like packing, to arrange the things. I've not done the physical arrangement. I'm using my brain and my eyes to arrange, like to know the things that I'm supposed to put and keep close so that when I want to pack it to be easier for me, you know. So that's what I've been doing basically, and I've been trying to edit some vlogs. I have tons of vlogs that I need to edit, and I'm trying my best to do that because a vlog needs to go. I really enjoyed this food. I'm finished it. Hey guys, I've been packing since morning. Hi guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah, the time is almost 2:30 if I'm not mistaken, sure. But around that, it's not up to 3 o'clock. Make please quiet. Anyways, I'm all dressed now because I'm heading to the market. I want to get some few stuff for you guys already know tomorrow I'm traveling. By tomorrow I'm out of Abuja and I've had my bag packed. Yomi and I are sharing one big box. I've had Blessing's luggages packed. So we're basically traveling with just 2 luggages and then of course baby bag, like hand luggage. Yeah, so I'm going to the market now. I want to get some stuff and I also want to make food for my client before I travel. He has begged me. I think I had already closed for the year, but he begged me, and so I have to like restock up for him. So he'll store in his freezer pending when I would get back. At least this should serve him. It's actually a good system and some other things, and yeah, I have basically everything at home, but I just want to get to the market to buy like meat. The meat that I got from the bulk buying. The meat that I bought from Day when I went for bulk buying, I've already grilled those ones. I don't want to touch it because I left those ones for my husband. If not, I would have used it to cook for these clients. Plus, the client's food is a lot and this meat will not be enough. Plus, he likes chop in his food. So I have to get to the market to get meat, and I want to do some other things in the market for personal things actually. Yeah, and then I'll come back and do the final packing of things when I get back from the gym today. Actually, that's when I'll do the final packing of things. But I've finished packing the basic things, which is like basic things. And yeah, so just minor things to throw in, like my toiletries for tomorrow morning. The onions that I'm traveling with is still under the sun. I sunned it because I want it to be very crunchy at least, so that I can, onions, mustard is not soft, and I don't want that. So yeah, you're disturbing me. So yeah, you guys should come with me to the market to final buy things that I used to cook for my client. And yeah, let me just quickly show you my luggage. This is the one Yomi and I are traveling with. This, I've already put our things inside, and then just this hand luggage. It's like it's a backpack and bag. It's like for Yomi's essentials, and yeah, then these things here, Yomi snacks, granules. I've already sealed it very well. The granules that I bought is inside a ziploc, and then I still wrap it with a nylon and seal it so that air can never ever enter. And then some of Yomi's provisions here that I'm carrying because anybody going to buy things afresh. And then my makeup bag is here. Basically, these are the remaining things for us to put, and then our shoes that I'm still sunning because I cleaned them thoroughly. Yeah, so that's basically it. Let's go to the market. I've already used my face cream, which also doubles up as a sunscreen. I think you guys should just try to hear me regardless of this noisy human being and the fan that is disturbing. I'm so sorry. Please just try and hear me. So I've already used my face cream, which also doubles up as my sunscreen because it's in it. And yeah, I'm going to wear sunglasses and I have my face mask. So let's go. The dust is crazy. I can't even sight any bike.
What give you go? What you for?
This one how much?
500.
No. Must. How much? Eh?
1,000.
No, 1,000 naira was the front. You guys, I just go back from the market, so it's time to cook. Today is Monday. I actually forgot. Monday market can be so crazy. Let me do my rituals. Pour water on my face. I've already finished drinking very cold water. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Oh, I'm alive. More like it. feel better. The market is hot. Jesus, very hot. Let me stop making noise though. One day begins a story.